Hello guys, again you are welcome to my channel Literature Classes. This is Abhilasha. I have completed MPhil and PG in English and I also have qualified UGC NET exam. Today we are going to read a literary topic that is the Pre-Raphaelite movement or Pre-Raphaelite Brotherhood. It was formed in 1848 by D.G. Rossetti. So D.G. Rossetti was called a founder of this Pre-Raphaelite Brotherhood. This was a movement which was came against a philosophy or against a principle, that is to revive the style of painting, and what to do in the painting, that they aim to replace the style of painting and they want to give the natural impact on the painting. So guys, we have to see what are the important writers related to this movement and what are the principles or what are the chief qualities of this Pre-Raphaelite movement. So without doing a further delay, let's begin the topic. So a group of artists. What is the Pre-Raphaelite movement? It was a group of artists, poets and painters formed in 1848 is known as Pre-Raphaelite Brotherhood or movement. This was a group of artists, poets and painters which was formed in 1848. 1848 is the year of Pre-Raphaelite movement. So this movement was also called as Pre-Raphaelite Brotherhood. Means this movement came in Victorian age. They have rejected the dramatic, artificial and mannerist painting styles succeeding Raphael and Michelangelo. They have rejected the dramatic, artificial and mannerist painting styles. Means what the painters are doing, what the critics says that what are the important things they are doing in the painting, whatever they are doing in the painting, they have rejected all those things because they want that before Raphael the qualities of painting was different, so they want to revive that. Their aim was to replace the reigning style of painting by a return to the truthfulness, simplicity and spirit of devotion. Their aim was to replace what they want to do. They want to replace the reigning style of painting. Whatever the contemporary style of painting, they want to replace that by a return to the truthfulness. Means they want in the painting truthfulness, simplicity and the spirit of devotion should be in the painting, so that the general people or the common people can appreciate that. The movement was formed by, there are some writers or there are some members who had also participated in that movement, like D.G. Rossetti was a founder, Christina Rossetti, A.C. Swinburne, William Morris, William Holman Hunt, John Everett Mills, William Michael Rossetti, Thomas Woolner. They were some important members of this movement or brotherhood. Guys, there were some principles which was based on this Pre-Raphaelite movement. These principles were formed by these members of the Pre-Raphaelite movement. So the very first point is to have genuine ideas to express. Means they want that don't express any artificial thing. You should have to express the genuine ideas. To study nature attentively. Means they want the study of nature should the writer or the author or the painter should pay a close attention to the nature, to sympathize with what is direct and serious and heartful in the previous art. To sympathize what is direct and serious, what is direct and what is serious and what is heartfelt in the previous art. What were going in the previous art, that is the direct and serious, that should be portrayed in the painting. To defy all the conventions of art. They want that the art should not obey any conventions. So, free from conventions. So, these were the principles of this pre-Raphaelite movement. Means the poets and the critics of this pre-Raphaelite movement want to remove these things. एक्चुअली जो ये प्री राफेलाइट मूवमेंट है, इसके जो ये एक ग्रुप है आर्टिस्ट का, पोइट्स का और पेंटर्स का, जो कि 1848 में आया था. इस मूवमेंट के जो पोइट्स थे या पेंटर्स थे या क्रिटिक्स थे, जो इसके मेंबर्स थे, वो ये चाहते थे कि जो पेंटिंग है वो पेंटिंग कैसी होनी चाहिए. राफेल के पहले जो पेंटिंग बनाई जा रही थी वो पेंटिंग कैसी थी, नेचुरल थी. उन्हें उसी पेंटिंग को फिर से लाना था. फिर से लाने के लिए उन्होंने इस मूवमेंट को फॉर्म किया. इस मूवमेंट के जो मेंबर्स थे उन्होंने इन्हीं चीज़ों पे बेसिकली फोकस किया. सो ये सारी चीज़ें पेंटर्स जो है रिवाइव करना चाहते थे, अपनी पोइट्री में इनको लाना चाहते थे, अपनी पोइट्री में, अपनी पेंटिंग में लाना चाहते थे. सो इसी मूवमेंट को के अगेंस्ट में फ्लैशली स्कूल ऑफ पोइट्री आया. फ्लैशली स्कूल ऑफ पोइट्री was a movement brought by Robert Buchanan. He was a Scottish poet and he criticized this pre-Raphaelite movement, the principles of this pre-Raphaelite movement, and formed a new movement that is known as Flashley School of Poetry. This D.G. Rossetti and other writers have written a work. The important works of these few writers are The Blessed Damsel by D.G. Rossetti in 1850, Goblin Market, which was published in 1862 by Christina Rossetti, The Earthly Paradise in 1868 to 70 by William Morris. So guys, this was pre-Raphaelite movement. I have discussed it in detail. Still you have any queries, any doubt, mention it in the comment section below. I'll try my best to remove your problems. So that's it for this video. See you soon in the next video. Till then, keep studying and have fun with literature. Thank you.